Umbedo. What's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another episode of Let's Chat About It. I go by the name The Real Matt, and I'm here with the one and only.
Today's got one more follow shy elephant get to 1 hour sour share one.
Wow.
Dango Fish, we back again. Let's chat about it.
Let's go.
Dango.
What's on your chat?
What's on my chat? It's March and March.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a celebrity not participating with March and March. Do you think I'm a celebrity to South Africa? I has failed now.
For them not participating
because
in the whole
you remember AKA used to be the one on the forefront where my fees must fall, young tall. AKA didn't give a fuck, young tall.
Yeah.
So do you think I'm a celebrity like they are more concerned about the brand, my brand, good bazolus my brand when they say their opinion, will match and match? We're not saying they should participate. What we're saying why they are not putting their 2 cents on the matter.
Yeah, I mean, I think I'm a celebrity of South Africa. It's always been the issue, way before March and March. When it comes to elections, when it comes to fees must fall, some of them have been quiet. They prioritize imali over fans. And let's be real, some of celebrities or some Zans, they don't really care about their fans. You remember how you know they don't give back.
You remember the time they were crying, the radios don't play local music. We were supporting them.
Yeah. It's always because like if an artist does an event, those events are always sold out. If an artist fill up a stadium, those stadiums are always filled out.
If an artist is broke, we try to.
But then when it comes to fans, they don't do that. So I'm saying, Guti, all this thing, it didn't start now in March and March. Celebrities been prioritizing back from back then. They don't give back. They don't go emakasi to empower intwana zasekasi. They don't do talent search ekasi. They always care about image wabo nama brand wabo. And also remember ukuthi la ukhona no. Yes, you are talented, but guze ube nano music loyo on numbers. Numbers they don't come from you. The talent comes from you, but numbers comes from abantu supporter. And it's always said to see celeb being too cool to be fans wabo in bodyguard 50 in. Meanwhile, dog, these kids are streaming your music, are doing all these things. So now people are crying out for help. Which it's March and March, and you guys have bigger platforms.
And
use those platforms. We are not saying
support it,
but we are saying raise awareness. We see these should happen. Abantu they don't say when they just say
put your opinion.
Because even now when you go to those countries, they need a visa, they need bus streets. So now to make sure we see and this thing doesn't even benefit fans kuphela. Now namathis lawa nabantwana labo bahlala kuyo
country.
So nabantwana babo bayasuffer at the end of the day. They're not doing us a favor.
Most of the time people who are using drugs abantwana bama celebrity. Sorry to say that. Abantwana bama celebrity maybe if you are teenagers, you'll never find mchita sekas. We are fucked up by crystal local. But when it comes to cocaine and Amazon, I'm a celebrity. Abantwana bama celebrity. They do those kind of drugs. Tina Ekasi, we don't afford those kind of drugs. I'm a cocaine, I'm a zen. Celebrities, what we are saying, put your 2 cents in it.
Because that's all it takes, bro.
That's what we don't care. We care about your opinion. It's not facts, but we're not saying
then
we're not saying now we support much and much.
Then it's sad to see when every Bafana is playing. Bona they the ones wearing those t-shirts. They the ones posting for a cloud. Which was to tell my numbers. Which hey Bafana. Hey. But when it comes to is it just concerning country?
Nowhere to be found.
Nowhere to
missing
be found.
In action. Only AKA used to do that. But what I can say, I'm a celebrity. We no longer have a celebrity Brenda Fassie who spoke about it via music.
And you know what's my take, also. Sorry to catch you, ne? My take is I'm a celebrity they were more too concerned about being approved estates. Here's why I say this. There's promoters, there's reactors, there's abantu abapromote umculo. You'll never see an artist wasemzansi being proud ukuthi he's getting promotion for me, but they always post these Americans, bro, and these Americans are not even tapped in with your stuff, bro. I do my reviews, I do my promotion and tag an artist. That artist will just view that thing and shine a bomb and see American doing that review at work.
And when you have the bigger numbers,
and I have information because one I'm Zans, but just because Leo promotion with Cholagim, you don't share my stuff. But then that's America they way too, they want to be approved so much. Mzansi, like they're so obsessed.
I saw some reactors state Jong or Jeng or what on that guy's post. It does a reaction. Young Tall, I think, is trying to tap on this new reaction. Yes, artists. I've seen it comment Nesty. I've seen it comment Blakey. I've seen it comment Flame. That guy is on Instagram. He reacts to it. He's tapped on because people they comment
and also just one can have labo mention America.
They do.
Sound American. That's why Maskandi Nbulala song my numbers because Maskandi they are more tapped in abantu babo, their roots. They know their roots. So if y'all can be too concerned to sway then that's effed up because these people are using y'all for cloud. If we can go to these American reactors right now and ask, what do you know about Blake?
Yeah.
Blake who sign over, no Blake who they don't know.
They know folk. And you remember the time the time I told you to stop reacting to Lamachita because they copyright their music. If you react to that, you will strike copyright.
But if
overseas they don't copy the
that's why I know if you
that's why they find about check the reactable because they know.
So you can react to e-post Devin Gogo right now. You get the repost from her any manager. I did a reaction for something so he reposted that thing. All these people are people that are blowing up this side. So I'm just saying, the mentality as a hip hop is too weak.
I feel like in Amachita, I remember we were in an event when I'm interview being a fluence. I didn't want you to do those interviews because I know I'm an artist, especially with hip hop. Nala up there, but still they are rude. Why am I just well as South Africa? They are rude when it's come to my fans, or they are rude when it's come to content creators. That's why sometimes I saw that guy who Excalibur, he did disrespect to Lokuzana. No lie. But I get where he's coming from.
They said partner, they said partner, go to social media right now and praise all these artists. They won't even repost your thing. But go to social media right now and bash them. They'll give you attention. That's why some of these kids feel like disrespecting these guys works because that's when they pay attention. Also, you'd find an artist posting post and then read my comments. Umuntu are commenting a paragraph which you changed my life. I now found a job. Or I had a kidney failure. Your song inspired me. They mice those comments. Then you get a negative comment. Then they attend that negative comment. They respond to that negative comment.
Too much.
That's what I'm saying. That's why the hate speech will always continue because you all give it too much attention more than the good stuff.
And most of the time, even the time we were talking about Uzola, I saw people coming for me like, I said a bad thing about Uzola. I did. If guys, you see clips of our podcast, if you see a 1 minute clip, you don't have to comment unless you watch the full video because Tina, we don't bash our artists, but we speak into essence
opinion. So right now I did a video with DJ Speedster no steel or fighting. Then I said these guys are OGs. Then people in the comment section was like, what's an OG? You don't know the word OG in. Bro, it's an OG to me. Someone that inspired me while I was young is an OG to me. I don't care what that guy did for you or but to me, I look that person as an OG because they played a role in my life. I won't judge an OG based on what he's doing for the country. If you played a role in my life, you're an OG to me. So you can't tell me who to be inspired by. If I say Stilo Makolite is my OG, is my OG. If Pound Dash is your OG, is your OG. Respectfully. And also this thing of judging ihasilo muntu. I saw a guy saying, why are you doing these reactions in that guy barely even have 20 followers, but you are too concerned about
ukuthi wena wenza
ukuthi omunye umuntu yenzane lowo muntu lowo uya-excel empilweni yakhe. Oh, as long as you are not selling drugs, as long as awubambi inkunzi, as long as yenzi next, whatever that you are doing and it works for you, it puts food in your table, yenze. But do you think social media esemzansi is being dominated by people who have traumas or who are hurt because of all the negativities? You know what I'm a comment section.
I'm not what I say, boy. Free Wi-Fi. People have free Wi-Fi, so when they have free Wi-Fi, abanye baku free mode, they don't see the bigger picture.
Oh!
But what I can say, umuntu mezofika comment negative, angazama uku-inspire. At least if uzoba negative, try to guide someone.
I don't mind you being negative, but as long as there's no swearing words. You can't be just in my comment and start by, I'm a Simbako. You are wrong because 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
At least it have a valid reason. Yeah, better. I don't like you what you were saying. 1, 2, 3. Maybe next time you should do this and that.
Then I take it into consideration. I say thank you.
I can even like that comment or but if that's how you feel, do what you must. People have free Wi-Fi, and when they have free Wi-Fi, they will say whatever is on their mind. So danko ngaloko, but bozo question character ya manje msunu wako nawe again. What's on my chat is Bayete being nominated for Amasamo. What do you think about that? Danya Devs, what do you think?
You know what I think, man?
Especially on the hip hop,
on the hip hop, Danya Devs being nominated on the hip hop category. Yeah, that's what you're asking.
Yeah.
Let me put it clear out there. Hope you all are listening. Danya Devs is going to dominate hip hop. Not because we want him to be fully hip hop, but because he saw a gap, and he's using that gap. That guy's brand is clean. Most of these hip hop artists, their brands are not clean. This guy is doing better music videos than all these hip hop artists. I saw people commenting being angry. Why is Danya Devs doing this? Because he saw a gap. All artists are not doing what he's doing. This guy is going on tours. This guy is doing content, going to an event. When last have you seen a hip hop artist documenting his life being outside doing content? Engaging with his fans. There's a Q&A. Danya Devs does this Q&A on YouTube.
On the road.
Your favorite rappers are not doing that. So Danya Devs saw an opportunity. He went and he took that opportunity, and he'll become one of the greats in hip hop.
And another thing about Danya Devs, what he does, he posts event. He posts all those flyers. So
whether big or not,
you will know where he is. Rapper, they don't do that. They are too cool for that. So if Danya Devs is dominating on hip hop, it's good. It's good for us. Good for him. Danko Plus is rapping on, is trapping or singing on trap beats or whatever. Yeah, it is a valid reason for him to be nominated for a summer hip hop.
He's there on
and he's gonna take it. Sorry to say that.
He's gonna take it.
Yeah, he's gonna take it. Sorry to say that. Sorry, Moguplung is gonna take it. He's nominated. No one is to see free, black and white flame. I saw that.
Yeah, Danya's taking it.
He's taking it. No lie. Unless Amasama, they do whatever they do. If I'm robber, but Danya Devs is taking this one.
Let's have this chat of podcast now. There's this issue now when it comes to podcasts. We say negativity stripes. We don't have podcasts that speak sense. We have, but not many. You know, I see these podcasts that are making sense where they empower people. But it will be dope if we see those podcasts being done by the youth. You know, when you see Abo Penwell speaking knowledge to us, we appreciate that. But it will become more like interesting if someone our age
speaking
have that mindset Abo Penwell, and like that podcast will be a thing.
I saw a podcast, I don't know if it did hit or it did blow up, but I saw some clips on TikTok. The name of the podcast, I think, is Random Guys. Guys, there you'll see those guys they are speaking
facts,
and they're talking about
that's why I'm about pop-ups.
I think
same network now pop-ups.
Oh, I think so. Because I saw that those clips. I think those guys they are good. What's next? And who has meaningful music. Matter of fact, a great catalog when it comes to meaningful music.
In South, no
South.
genre, no hip hop, no in. Artists that have meaningful music, there has to be something Soweto, it has to be Java, it has to be Nomfundo Mo, it has to be Lwandlunkulu, it has to be. There's a lot of artists that make meaningful music. Musicaholic, Moby, yo, there's a lot of artists that make meaningful music.
But why do you think these people, you see, they are making meaningful music? Why they don't reach their peak, like?
Yeah,
because they are not doing industry music.
Yeah, because Mzansi is known for doing all these negative or catchy stuffs. But I think these people are making a living for themselves. Like I can make an example of something Soweto. Something Soweto is on a tour right now, doing great. And one thing I like about him, he doesn't promote that tour for everyone to see. He's doing it for his fan base. So that's why you don't see him go interview. If you are on his page, if you follow him, you're gonna see it. If you didn't see it, then you are not a fan enough. And I think that's where you have to reach as an artist, where you're like, okay, now I'm too content with myself. I'm satisfied with the fan base that I have. Now I'm building a relationship with my fans now. And I saw that people are excited, saying they took pictures with him. Everyone that was there took a picture with him. Imagine his katana so for nabantu labo.
Let's say it
was people that changed his life. These people changed his life.
And without these people, he wouldn't be gonna be too cool for that.
If it was a hip hop artist, don't be scared to say. If you got a hip hop artist, so they wouldn't do that. They are too cool.
Sometimes I feel like these hip hop artists, they feel like Bodabakeza or Batobisa Ngani. I don't know, but they.
But one thing that I like to see, the numbers say a lot about how they behave. The numbers say a lot about how they behave. They're getting good numbers, but not good enough. If they were treating their friends right, they would be having way more numbers.
I so wish, speaking of something Soweto, I so wish bonke abantwana baka something Soweto, like you can name them, but Talwonga, Abo Cetril. I wish those guys, they can give credit and make sure, I won't say imali, but make sure they support, because our battles to make sure they support to something Soweto, whatever it does. If we neto, they're the one who's supposed to be sharing that. But I'm as good one, but yes.
Positivity. I saw someone commenting saying, I'm too soft. We don't need people like you in this game. You are too soft. You are too positive. This is not how hip hop works. Hip hop is all about beefs.
We can be, but the problem is
not everything.
We can be negative. If you want us to be negative, but at what cost?
At what cost?
At what cost? We can. If rap or keep
and also, I feel like there's way too many negative stuffs that are happening on social media. Then I feel to be different. I just want to be different. I just want to spread some positivity out there, because already the negative stuff is there. There's so many content creators that are negative, or journalists or blogs that are negative. That's why if I react on something, I'll react to it and be real with it, but at the end of the video, I'll have to end it in a positive way and say, I just hope so and so it's wrong, so and so it's wrong, but at the end, I so wish this thing happens. And other people feel like I'm being too cool, I'm scared to say how I feel in. Bro, this country is already going through a lot. People are already going through so much already, so you can't keep on nagging on them. If you're gonna criticize someone, then at the end, tell them what to do. Don't just criticize and just sit and say your music is whack. You what? Also have an input. Say I think you should. I think you should. And also give credit to your previous song was dope, but this one
is not the one.
It's not the one.
But your previous song was
so that's being positive and that's being you now. Freedom of speech now. Saying I don't.
Because at the end of the day, if the more we put pressure on these artists, they are our artists, and the problem is they always commit suicide. Imagine if you had an input on that. You have a negative input on that. I'm a celebrity. They are also going to their own shit most of the time. They can't even pay their houses. They can't even finish paying for their cars.
You know how hard it is to go to studio and make a song. and put it out there, knowing Gucci, there's hundreds of people that are going to listen to this song. For our artists, they might make it look too cool but deep down they are always stressed. Whenever they go to perform, they always get nervous. So what if they boo me? What if it's one of those days where they are not feeling me anymore? Whenever they're putting out music, they become nervous. Which what if they don't like this? What if they don't like this? So these are also human beings.
But
that's because you are in a public space. Doesn't mean you have every right to say whatever you want about me or in.
Mina, what I can say when it's come to artists, especially when they are putting out music, if you are putting out music and you're an artist, stop making it to say eating at in. Ungalalelisi ama yes men wako. Young child, if you know that you are busy, you're gonna drop something, don't make your yes men listen to your shit. Try test some waters. Try to preview the song. Then social and I like how you'll see from our reviews about young talk. Don't just drop.
And also remember that last time we had chats about being an artist manager. There's artist managers that are out there. They are not real artist managers. They are just booking agents. Just imagine having an artist manager that's going to wait for you to tell them what to do. You don't bring nothing to the table, like you're just folding. You're just waiting for my text to tell you that I have a gig tomorrow, there and there and there. Then you have a nerve of calling yourself an artist manager. You don't bring deals to my table. You don't go out and promote or do a proposal or about my brand. You just wait for me to tell you what to do. Then you call yourself an artist manager. What have you done to the brand? What money, what percentage have you added? What value have you added to the brand? As an artist manager, you have to meet the brand halfway. And I've heard this saying, some artist managers, they go through a lot because you build an artist from the ground, then when that artist becomes big, that artist switch up. That artist doesn't want to be told what to do. That artist feels like now you are being too controlling over. Like calling a guy and say, yo, bro, don't forget, tomorrow we have a session with Kabza. Then it's like, yo, but Mina, tomorrow I want to go to this club. Then you feel like that artist manager is misleading you. Then you go to the artist manager that is a yes man. That tells you that everything yes. Okay, today we are not gigging. Yes, we are not gigging. What are we drinking? Yeah, today in. Some good artist managers are being mistreated, are being underrated because they are doing the right thing. And some artists don't want to do the right thing. And some artists don't want to be told what to do. They hate the truth.
I can say artists should have some reactors or commentators or whoever that's pushing their music on a payroll. The reason being I'm saying that.
But also you have to be honest. Don't just pay someone to say positive things. Pay
just
and say, be honest, but promote this thing.
Let's say now, let's say now you are Casper, you want to drop a song.